here's another look at Oviedo for you on the evening of May 24th, 2010. I literally just came into town, about 10 hours on the plane from Toronto to Montreal, from Montreal to Madrid, Barajas, and then in my rental vehicle from Madrid up to Oviedo, which took me about 4.5, 5 hours, I would say. But this looks like one of the main squares in Oviedo, and I haven't quite found my bearings yet. I'm brand new in town, just checked into the hotel. Here's one of the old-style vending kiosks here. This one also selling ice cream. And lovely mosaic on the floor here. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of a look here at this major square in Oviedo. Now, in the background here, I see something called Teatro Campo Amor. So that looks like an important building here. And the whole place actually here, look, we've got a building that looks like it's from the 1930s. Very ornate building coming up here in front. And a huge memorial here. Let's see who's memorialized here. Do I see any inscription at all? What does it say here? Tartiere or Tartiere? I'm not quite sure. Haven't heard of this particular personality. But as you can see, lots of public art. People sitting all over the place, relaxing. Oh, and I think I see the cathedral in the back here. I'm just kind of stumbling around right now in Oviedo without a really clear idea exactly of where I'm going to go. Tomorrow my city tour is going to give me a better idea. La Encarnación con Chiquilín Maternidad, Maternity, was completed in 2005. There we go. And another look right here at Oviedo. Here's apparently the municipal tourism office right here in the corner, but it looks quite closed right now. And another look back at the main shopping area of Oviedo, right here in northern Spain.